Hi everyone, I'm just gonna give you a quick little preview of my Canyon fleet. Yeah, just wanted to share and also share some of the hub sounds later, just as a plane flies by, the perks of living under the flight path. Let's give it another second here. So yeah, I plan to also do some of the free hub sound later. Yeah, just to see how they all compare. They all actually sound different. So yeah, so as I come over here, this is my 2021 Canyon Ultimate SL8 Aero Limited. Yes, this model, it was lucky enough to come with the 62 millimeter deep wheels, but also, yeah, it was the 1400 series. And also, as I come over here, this is the 2022 Canyon Inflight SLX Team Edition color. And yeah, I'll go through a bit more details about it. And then this is my latest one, the 2024 Aeroad CFR Di2 here. So let's just go through a little closer look at the Ultimate first here. So Ultimate CFSL, we have Ultegra, we also have, I'm so bad at pronouncing these, but Civilnation or whatever, bar tape. And I get the Velaholics to do it. I cannot do bar tape for the life of me. Here's the DT Swiss carbon fiber wheels. It's upside down right now. Ultegra with the Duro Ace pedals. Some Amazon bottle cages, don't judge. And yeah, that's it with the UFO chain wax. So I'm just gonna do a little free hub sound here. Let me just back it up here, and I'm gonna try to position the mic a little bit closer. Let's try this right here. Alright, let's do a quick little walkthrough of the Inflight SLX. Same thing, same brand of bar tape. I got the Canyon computer mount with the, you can also attach the Canyon light onto right on the bottom. There's also a magnet in the clip as well. These are also the DT Swiss 1400, I think. Yeah, can't see it here. Also Di2 as well. This one, whatever reason, the charging is done over here versus on the Ultimate. It's done at the bar end. I changed it to this specialized seat. I also had to add some tape here because the rubber was peeling off from sometimes the feet would hit it back here. Yeah, let's take a look at let's see how this one sounds. Definitely not as loud as the Ultimate. All right, now the star of the show here. Just picked this up last week. my first Aeroad. I haven't even ridden it yet. I plan to get a ceramic coated soon, and UFO wax chain and some new bar tape just to make it a little more unique before I ride it. And yeah, let's just do a couple of detail shots. Same, I already have the Canyon computer mount and flash mount put on already. The wheels are going to be the 1100s. Oh yeah, I forgot to say on my I do prefer running 28 millimeters all around just for comfort plus a little better puncture resistance. But yeah, both bikes actually came, the Ultimate and the Aero came with 25 in the front, 28 in the rear. So right now, that's what we're dealing with, 28.5 and 28 in the rear. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna make use of these tires first before I worry about changing it to 28 all around. So yeah, my first time with Dura Ace group set. Got the carbon fiber lightweight bottle cages from Canyon. I don't know too much, but this is a carbon fiber seat as well. You can see the brand here. I don't have pedals on this yet, so it'll be interesting to see how I'm gonna test the sound. Yeah, let's see how this one. Let's see how this one sounds. I'll do my best to spin the wheel. There we go. Just wanted to make a quick video, share my 3 bikes. I might be selling the Ultimate soon. There's no point in me having so many. Aero can climb just fine. All I really need is the Inflight for the gravel and the Aeroad for just pure road cycling. So yeah, let me walk back again. That's how it looks. My son's truck there. And yeah. This thing is too nice not to show it a bit more. Let's try this side. I don't think there's any difference on this side really, but yep. I'm told you're not supposed to take pictures of the other side. You gotta show the drivetrain. Yeah, oh yeah, one note I wanted to make here, forgot. This is size small, Aeroad size small, Inflight size small, Ultimate is actually a size medium. When I first got into cycling, I made the mistake of not listening to the Canyon guide and decided to stick with medium. I'm about 5'10". Turns out this is, yeah, they run big, so this is, I was able to ride it for 3 years, but the reach was a little bit further than I like as I continue to ride more. So when I bought the Inflight, I made sure I got a small, fits much better. And over here, the Aeroad is small, it fits like a glove now. Yep. Thanks for watching. Signing off now.